Hi friends, today's recipe is potato sandwich. Come, let's see how to make it. First take 500 grams of potato. Cut them into 4 pieces each. Now heat the pressure cooker and add the potatoes with 100 grams of green peas. Pour some water to drown the potatoes. Let the cooker blow 3 whistles. Between these, we will prepare the green chutney. For this, take a handful of cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, handful of mint leaves, quarter cup of grated coconut, two cloves of garlic, half green chili, juice of quarter lemon, and quarter teaspoon of salt. Grind it nicely. Now the green chutney is ready. Now, we will prepare the stuffings. First, peel the potatoes and mash it like this. Add chopped onion with this. Then add 5 sprigs of coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of garam masala, quarter teaspoon of chili powder and quarter teaspoon of salt. Mix them together. Now slice the onion into rings. Cut the tomatoes into slices. Cut the cabbage into strips. Cut the capsicum as strips and grate the carrots like this. To sprinkle over the vegetables, I have used chili powder and salt mixture. Now we will get into the process of making sandwich. Take a slice of bread, spread the green chutney at one side, butter on the other side. Now keep the green side upward and stuff the potato masala. Put 4 tomato slices over the masala. Now, put onion rings over the tomato slices. Then add some capsicum strips and cabbage strips and grated carrot. Sprinkle some chili powder and salt mixture. Take another slice of bread, apply some butter at one side, then apply some green chutney on the other side. Keep this slice over the stuffings and press gently. Heat the dosa pan and put the sandwich. Toast it both the sides. Do not overcook, make sure it is light brown color. Now the potato sandwich is ready. If you like the recipe, please share with your friends. Please subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.